I'm Lexi Colan. Welcome back to Mix It Up with Lexi, Quarantine Edition. Today we're making prosciutto and arugula pizza on the grill. Let's get started. And if you're looking for a great way to make some dough in quarantine, this is perfect. We're going to be using pre-made dough from Trader Joe's. It's garlic herb and it smells amazing, perfect for breadsticks or anything. So first we're going to flour our pizza plate. Flour power. And then we're going to make sure it gets nice and coated in that just so it's less sticky. And then we're slowly going to start pressing and getting it more elastic. Now we're going to use some Italian olive oil. This olive oil is straight from Italy. Olive oil from Trader Joe's or anywhere will work. And you're just gonna give it a nice olive oil massage to really make it nice and flavorful. What we're gonna do is the Italians do and spin the pizza. Oh, we got some holes, but holes never hurt anybody. Whoa! Now maybe this will be our new Olympics, the pizza spinning Olympics. Now that we've thrown our dough around, we're ready to finally start topping it. I have a little clove of garlic and I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to get it out of its shell. You're gonna get a knife like this and flatten your hand. Be very careful with the blade. And then you're gonna push with all your might and the shell just crumbles off nicely. So that's a little hack for when you're working with garlic. See how it's perfectly clean? And keeps the vampires away. Now we're gonna put that garlic into the dough, give it some nice flavor, massage it in there like we did with the oil, and then we're gonna start to build our pizza. So add some nice olive oil again, give it a little bath, because for this pizza, unlike normal pizza, we're not doing a tomato-based sauce, so it's just gonna be oil. You could also do red sauce, white sauce, or any type of cheese as a base, but we're gonna start with the oil and make it nice and crispy like a breadstick. And then we're gonna put our 4 cheese mix. Not 1 cheese, not 2 cheese, not 3 cheese, but 4 cheese. Look at that beautiful cheese snow. That's what I like to see. And I like to take it all the way to the crust because I don't like to waste any of this beautiful dough. Make sure that's nice in there. And then we're gonna add our prosciutto. Now we ripped up our prosciutto, now go ham. The pizza's on the grill, and then after we grill out, we're gonna grub out. We want it to get nice and golden brown and crispy around the edges. Now after it cooks, take a look. Let's see. Oh, perfect. It's bubbly, the cheese is brown, and we're just gonna twist it onto our tray. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It smells garlicky and buttery. My Italian ancestors would be so proud. Now we're gonna add the arugula to our arugula prosciutto pizza. Some nice cold greens on top of a nice hot pizza. And then for my favorite addition, we're gonna add some shavings of Parmigiano Reggiano. I like to use a shaver, no one really thinks about it. Use a peeler, add some nice thin slices that are gonna melt beautifully and add a little buttery taste to our pizza. Now the pizza's done, it looks beautiful, smells amazing, nice crispy crust, buttery. And if you don't mind, I have to leave. I have a date. Thanks for watching Mix It Up with Lexi.